Hi, my name is Tylee with Baratza Encore, and I'm here to show you how to take the case off your Encore grinder. Whether you're doing a little bit of troubleshooting, changing out your burrs, or giving your grinder a good deep clean, this video's got you covered. To start things off, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and a soft cloth. But if you don't have a flathead handy, a butter knife works well for this too. Before we get started, let's make sure that your grinder is unplugged. Then we'll remove the hopper by rotating counterclockwise until the grind setting indicator is lined up with the arrow. You should be able to lift it up from here. Next, we'll want to remove the grounds bin by pulling it straight out. And then finally, we'll remove the on-off knob by grasping it and pulling it out to the side. Next, let's lift up the rubber gasket and the ring burr. These should come out pretty easily. No tools are needed here. Now you'll want to place the grinder on its side using a towel or a cloth while doing so. The case is secured by 4 snap clips that are near the bottom. There are 2 on each side. The clips are released by inserting a wedge to remove the case away from the chassis. To remove the case, gently wedge the flat head under the bottom of the case and pry it up while simultaneously pulling the case away from the base. Pulling up while separating the base from the case will help keep the clips from snapping back together. Flip the grinder over and repeat on the other side. Releasing the clips may require alternating between each side a few times before they come loose, so take your time. After all 4 clips are released, there will be a visible gap between the base of the grinder and the casing. At this point, you can reposition the grinder and grasp the top collar to pull up while holding the unit down at the base to fully remove. To reinstall the case, gently guide it back onto the grinder until the adjustment ring is aligned with the top casting. Once aligned, push the shoulders down evenly with some force until you hear all 4 clips snap back into place. Now you can reinstall the on-off knob. Since it's D-shaped, it can only go on one way. And then we'll put the ring burr and holder and the gasket back in your grinder. You'll want to make sure that the red tab of the ring burr holder is lined up with the red tab in your adjustment assembly. Then we'll go ahead and put the gasket thick side down. Next, we'll slide the grounds bin back into place. To reinstall the hopper, line up the grind setting indicator with the arrow on the grinder and push clockwise. And that's it! You've removed and reinstalled the case on your Encore grinder. If you're having any issues or you need some more troubleshooting steps, feel free to reach out to Baratza Support. But that should be it! Thanks for watching, and happy grinding! Baratza, well grounded for 25 years.